Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 27th, 2026, and we're going to be planting some Spanish lavender seeds today. Now, the first thing that you want to do with your lavender seeds, no matter what type of lavender you are growing, is you want to take your lavender seed pack, put it in a Ziploc bag, seal the bag, and put it in your refrigerator for at least 2 weeks before you plant them. Spanish lavender does need light to germinate, and it can take up to a month for this to come up. So I am using soil blocks here, and I'm just going to surface sow the seeds right on top here. Yep, right there it is. So I'm going to finish getting these planted here, and then we're going to come back. Okay, so these are all planted up here, and I have this set on a mist, and I'm just gently going across here and just misting the top of the soil here. Yeah. So I put the tray down on the floor here, and I have a loose fitting lid on it because your seeds need oxygen to germinate, and this will also allow for excess heat and moisture to escape out. So this is not this lid is not on tight, and I'm going to be checking on these every day to make sure that they are not drying out. And I'm going to be using the mister on the watering wand to water them, so that I don't cover the seeds up with soil. So when these start coming up, we will be back. Okay, so today is March the 6th, 2026, and I was checking on the lavender seeds here that were planted, and the violet purple Spanish lavender is starting to come up. And then we have some other different lavenders that are coming up and have come up. So I'm going to be taking these out and putting them up on the shelf, the ones that have germinated. So I took these out and I put these up on the shelf in the greenhouse. The reason why I didn't let them in the container covered is I did not want them to grow tall and spindly. I want to make sure that they get enough airflow and we don't have any issues with any kind of blights or anything like that. So as these continue to grow, I'm going to be coming back with more video updates. And I do have a lot of videos on my channel for starting lavender from seed, growing it, transplanting it, all the different kind of stuff. So you can check that out on there. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.